do you think? Do I look like a famous YouTuber? Hey everybody, it's Julie from A Beautiful Horizon, and today I'm talking to you about these sunglasses. I got them from Zenni Optical. I ordered them online, and you can hear they sound a little cheap. They feel a little cheap, but they're prescription sunglasses and they were only $40. So I'm happy with them. I think they are kind of cute, and they're sort of like these when they had the clip. My daughter got a hold of the clip and somehow it broke. I don't blame Zenni. I think, you know, when you have kids, there's just collateral damage, and I'm still happy with these. They're definitely a statement pair of sunglasses. They're a little dirty right now. I could clean them, but I'm still happy with them. So I wanted to update you. This is my third pair of glasses now, and I'm still happy with them. Everybody's got to do their own research. Obviously, I'm not here to tout a company. Just sharing my experience. When I save money somewhere, I want to tell everybody about it, and I hope that you tell me when you're saving money somewhere too. So I will leave my link in the description box. If you want to check out Zenni, you can get, I think it's $5 off if you use my link. And let me know your experience if you order a pair of glasses through them, prescription glasses. Both of these were $40. My other pair that I've talked about before was also $40, so I don't know how that works out. They were all about $40 by the time they were shipped and everything. But I thought I would just let you know that I got another pair that are solely for sunglasses instead of doing the clip-ons. I really don't like clip-ons. I mean, they're kind of convenient, I guess, because you don't have to like switch glasses, but they also kind of look like clip-ons, if you know what I mean. So yeah, these are gonna be for indoor. These will be for outdoor or driving. And they're, I don't know what they call this, like tortoise or something, where it's like brown and black, kind of mixed looking on the sides, and it's kind of like a matte, if that's a word you use to describe sunglasses. It's like a matte finish, and it looks kind of like wood, but it's obviously plastic, and then it has the little details on the side. So I thought I would just let you know I got another pair, and I'm happy with these so far as well. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe if you're into homemaking, homeschooling, and intentional living. If not, just give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you later. Bye.